Where are we?
I don't know.
We're somewhere in San Fernando.
Yeah, we are in capital town of San Fernando. It's our first time here.
We're looking for the market.
We're looking for the market here. So
Somebody wanted to go out and celebrate it today. But
that's you.
Yeah, right.
That's your wish. So I'm giving you your
better than the mall.
wish granted.
Better than the mall.
Yeah, we ride a minibus. Yeah, this is San Fernando, capital town. What is that?
Topanga.
Yeah, that's a cross. What is that? It's a church? Oh, it looks like... It's mango. We're here, San Fernando Market. Wet section. West, ground floor, bake shop, grocery, plastic. Okay. Okay. What is this? Flower? Okay. They're clothes. Oh, that's clothes section. Here. Yeah, that's a vegetable area. What is this? That's a wet market. There, I don't know what is that.
What?
Superstore. That's the wet market. Magkano kilo? 130 lang. 130.
Kaya nga doon din lang kaya.
Contemporary.
Where are you getting? There's a lot of candy. What is that? Oh, cotton candy. For the kids? Oh, that's nice. Hey, no, this one is cute. Lollipop. It's a candy store. Oh, wow. See, there's a lot of selling here. Oh, do you want to ride a horse? There's a veggie here. You want to ride? 200 pesos per ride. It's a church.
You mean this right here?
Yeah.
I got it.
This. This is the church. It's the church. This is the church. Is in here. City Hall yata nila to eh. San Fernando City Hall.
What's this?
It's a flag, I guess. Where's the flag? It's for our flag. Those are plants. They have elevator. Wow, this is the market. It's amazing, right? They have an elevator. Okay, let's go.
You know me, I do crafts.
Church. And that's the SM Mall. SM City San Fernando. And that's the Jollibee. Okay. It's getting dark. Kararating namin, galing kami ng, kasi yun yung wish niya. Gusto niyang maglakad-lakad, something new. Ayaw niya sa mall. Gusto niya sa, sa palengke, maglakad. So, yun. First time namin dun sa San Fernando Market. Yummy. Perfect. Medyo nahirapan lang ako maghihiwa. Dumidikit sa kutsilyo.
Excuse me.
Kumain kasi siya ng chicken sa labas. Yung tag 25 pesos. Kinain niya sa pas. So, medyo mataas na yung sugar niya. Kaya, bukas na siya kakain nito. Tumikim lang. Yung ibabaw mukha siyang sunog, pero hindi siya lasang sunog. This is so good. Bukas naman. Hindi pa lang yung hiwa niya. Ilagay ko ito kaninang umaga sa ref. Ano na ngayon? 8 o'clock na. 8 o'clock na kami dumating. So, yun. Mabilis lang yan, bababa yung sugar niya kasi nga lakad kami. Like, for 2 hours, puro lakad yung ginawa namin. Ikot-ikot. Yan. Hello. Try nyo to, ang sarap, promise. Perfect dessert.